Plant FAQs. Mertensia maritima, oyster plant, sea bluebell. As someone deeply fascinated by the world of plants, I've spent quite a bit of time exploring Mertensia maritima, also known as the oyster plant or sea bluebell. This unique perennial is known for its striking blue flowers and distinctive foliage. If you're considering adding Mertensia maritima to your garden, here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started and address some common questions. How to grow Mertensia maritima. Growing Mertensia maritima can be a rewarding experience, but it requires a bit of attention to detail. This plant thrives in cooler climates and is well suited to USDA hardiness zones 3 to 8. Start by selecting a spot with well-draining soil and partial to full shade. It prefers moist conditions, so ensure the soil remains consistently damp but not waterlogged. Begin by planting Mertensia maritima seeds or transplants in early spring or late summer. If you're starting from seeds, stratify them in the refrigerator for a few weeks before sowing to enhance germination. Space the plants about 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for their spreading nature. How to care for Mertensia maritima. Caring for Mertensia maritima is relatively straightforward. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry spells, to keep the soil consistently moist. Mulching can help retain soil moisture and control weeds. Since it prefers cooler temperatures, Mertensia maritima may struggle in extremely hot climates, so providing some shade can be beneficial. During the growing season, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to support healthy growth. Once the plant finishes blooming, you can cut back the foliage to promote new growth and prevent the spread of disease. How to propagate Mertensia maritima. Propagating Mertensia maritima can be done through seeds or division. For seeds, follow the same initial steps for planting. Once the seedlings are large enough to handle, you can transplant them into their permanent locations. For division, wait until the plant is well established and divided in early spring or late summer. Carefully separate the root clumps, ensuring each division has healthy roots and foliage. Replant the divisions in a new location with similar soil and light conditions. What to plant with Mertensia maritima. Mertensia maritima pairs well with other shade-loving plants. Consider combining it with ferns, hostas, or astilbes to create a lush, textured garden bed. Its blue flowers contrast beautifully with the green foliage of these companion plants. Additionally, you might plant it alongside ground covers like lamium or creeping jenny to enhance the garden's visual appeal. Can you grow Mertensia maritima indoors? Growing Mertensia maritima indoors can be challenging due to its preference for cooler temperatures and high humidity. If you want to try it, choose a bright, indirect light location and maintain high humidity levels around the plant. A cool room with consistent moisture can mimic its natural habitat, but it may not thrive as well as it does outdoors. Is Mertensia maritima toxic? One of the great aspects of Mertensia maritima is that it is not known to be toxic to pets or humans. This makes it a safe choice for gardens where children or animals play. However, it's always a good practice to avoid ingesting any non-edible plants. Benefits of Mertensia maritima. Mertensia maritima offers several benefits for gardeners. Its vibrant blue flowers add a splash of color to shady areas, and its lush foliage provides an attractive ground cover. Additionally, it's a low-maintenance plant that can help fill in garden spaces with minimal effort. Its ability to thrive in cooler climates makes it an excellent choice for northern gardens. Common problems with Mertensia maritima. While Mertensia maritima is generally hardy, it can encounter a few issues. Watch for signs of powdery mildew, especially in humid conditions. Good air circulation and proper spacing can help prevent this problem. Additionally, overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure the soil drains well and avoid waterlogging. Comparing Mertensia maritima to similar plants. Mertensia maritima is often compared to other shade-loving perennials like Brunnera or Pulmonaria. While Brunnera, with its similar blue flowers, can be a good alternative, it generally prefers slightly warmer conditions. Pulmonaria, with its spotted leaves and spring blooms, can also be a companion plant but requires different care, particularly in terms of soil moisture and light. In conclusion, Mertensia maritima is a delightful addition to any shade garden. Its unique blue flowers and ease of care make it a standout choice. By understanding its growing needs and potential issues, you can ensure that it thrives in your garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, Mertensia maritima is worth considering for your next planting project.